Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the 1152 error in Valorant. The first method is to open the command prompt and enter these commands in order. sc delete vgc, press enter, then type sc delete vgk, press enter. If that doesn't work, then go to your C drive, program files, find Riot Vanguard, and uninstall it. Make sure to close Valorant first. If that still doesn't fix it, launch Valorant to reinstall Vanguard and restart your PC. As a last resort, press Win plus R, type quote services.msc quote comma, find VGC, right-click. Properties, set startup type to automatic, click Apply. That should resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. See you next time.